Your edge network is the heartbeat of your operation, but is it truly secure? Getting 7 specific things right is vital for industrial networks. Let's find out how many boxes you check. Somewhere out there, a factory floor is running 24/7. So are the threats targeting it. How defensible is your edge against cyber threats? Let's put it to the test, starting with the front door. If your devices still ship with admin as the default login, you've already left the door wide open. NPort and MGate G2 enforce a strict password policy the moment you power on. And if someone keeps guessing wrong, the account locks them out automatically. A crucial question to consider is, how can you be certain the firmware is unaltered when your device starts up? With Secure Boot as a hardware root of trust, the NPort and MGate G2 verify the firmware's digital signature before anything else loads. So even if someone swaps in malicious code, it simply won't run. And once your device is online, is the data it transmits vulnerable to wiretapping? The NPort and MGate G2 encrypt every transmission with HTTPS and SSL, making your data stream unreadable to anyone who isn't supposed to see it. Encryption protects your data in transit, but it doesn't control who gets to connect in the first place. With NPort and MGate G2, only IP addresses you approve can reach your devices. Everyone else is blocked at the door. Controlling who connects keeps threats out, but how does it handle internal network changes? Imagine coming in one morning to find device settings quietly changed overnight. No alert, no log, no way to know who did it, when, or why. With the NPort and MGate G2, every configuration change, login attempt, and anomaly is captured in the system log, providing a complete and continuous digital paper trail. Managing numerous devices in a facility by logging into each individually is not only tiresome, but also presents a security vulnerability. Through Radius and TACACS Plus integration, you can control device authentication and access policies centrally. With one policy change, every device is covered. Passwords locked down, firmware verified, data encrypted, traffic controlled, every change logged, every device managed, and vulnerabilities patched before they become a problem. That's 7 for 7, and that's what it means to move from critical risk to operational confidence. The NPort and MGate G2 are built for the security demands of today and tomorrow. Is your edge network ready?